Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration, or if you like, a tutorial, on how you create Judaic stories by using a free iOS app called Story Creator, which is located right over here on my iPad mini. Now, I'm making an assumption that you have an iOS device, such as an iPad, an iPad mini, or an iPhone, and you know how to download the free app called Story Creator. So what I propose to do is we're going to open up the Story Creator app by tapping on it, and then I'll share with you a story that I just created about how our family celebrates Shabbat on Friday night. And then I'll show you actually how I created the story. So with that in mind, let's tap on the Story Creator app and open it up. Okay, and you see over here, the title of the story is How My Family Celebrates Shabbat. And we're going to tap on this book and we'll listen, and I hope you can hear the story that we created on Shabbat in the Solomon family. Hope you can hear this.
Shalom Chavrim. This is a demonstration of how a Jewish teacher and his or her students can use Story Creator, an iOS or Apple storytelling app for Judaic instruction. The title of this story is How My Family Celebrates Shabbat on Friday Night.
All right, now we're going to get to the next slide. Hope you can hear it.
The first thing we do is prepare for Shabbat by wearing nice clothing and setting up a Shabbat table.
I'm going to continue sharing these various slides, and then I'll show you how I did this, okay?
In our family, Ima does the blessing of the Shabbat candles. Then we say the blessing for the wine. Then we say the motzi, the blessing for the bread. Then Abba blesses the children. And now we eat the delicious Shabbat meal. After the meal, we say the Birkat Hamazon. And that is how we celebrate Shabbat on Friday night in our family.
Now I'm going to show you actually how we made this app, okay, or made this story up using Story Creator. I'll be right back. All right, so do you see this little book over here? The way you get to start a new book is you hit the plus sign. So I'm going to hit the plus sign, and you see where it says Add Story? So we're going to tap on Add Story, okay, and we'll give the story a title. See over here where it says Name? Okay, so we'll tap on that, New Story, and we'll just say, we'll just call this Demo, all right? DEMO. Okay? So that's done. And then we choose a photo. So you click on Choose a Photo, and you select a photo from the library. Okay, so the library is right up here. You see that? So let's take a photo from the library. I have lots of different photos. Let's take a photo about Shabbat, okay? Friday Shabbat meal images. I don't know if you could see that, but it's right over here. So I'm going to tap on that. And then you just select a picture you want to share. So let's say I want to share this picture right over here of a Shabbat table, okay, for Friday night. So you click on it. Okay. And you can move and scale it, but we'll just say it's done. Okay. And, well, let's get that picture again by clicking over here on the camera, okay? So let's get an existing photo. I'll go back to the photo library. Sorry that that didn't work first time. So let's find a picture, a Shabbat picture, okay? Oh, here it is. And I think this was the one I wanted to share. So let's click on this one over here. This one right over here. Okay. And then we have choices. We can, over here, we can write text. So let's write some text. Click on the T and simply say, this is a Shabbat table. Okay. And let's put a period at the end. All right. And you see it says, this is a Shabbat table. Now, you see this microphone over here? If we click on the microphone, we can record something. So let's hit the record button. See the record button over here? And let's tap on it. It's recording right now. And let's simply say, this is a Shabbat table. When we're finished, we hit the red button again. And you actually can hear what we just recorded by clicking on this sound icon. So let's hear what we just said.
It's recording right now, and let's simply say, this is a Shabbat table. When we're finished, we hit the red button again.
Okay, so you saw that, and if you want to add another page, you just see this plus button over here. If you want to add another page, you just click on that, and that will take you to a page. If you want to delete the page, you just hit the trash can. You see the trash can? And are you sure you want to delete the page?
It's recording right now, and let's simply say, this is a Shabbat table. When we're finished, we hit the red button again.
Okay, so let's go to home, and if you want to share this demo, you just click on this icon over here, and that will enable you to share the information with your students and colleagues, etc. So what have we said? What we have said is Story Creator is a free iOS or Apple app that enables the Judaic educator and his or her students to be able to share Judaic stories related to any Judaic content. So it could be Tefillah, Israel, Jewish history, the Chagim, etc. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for your attention.